Coming to the, I am completely sober going into this video. I did not just film the last one ahead of time. Coming to the holiday season, you get Christmas cocktails, which come with Christmas spirits, and then you get Christmas beer. Now, I can tell you this one and this one, off the bat, I already love. But I didn't realize there were this many, so we're gonna taste them. We're gonna taste them and rank them. Now, here's the issue with this, is I don't know how much of these are local to here from craft breweries and how much are national. So you're gonna have to see what your own store has. Maybe you can get them. I don't know. But we're gonna just go down the line and we're gonna taste and we're gonna rank and we're just gonna get right into it. This should be a quick and dirty video, and you guys know I like it quick and dirty. So let's get right into it. This is the WMMS Christmas Ale. I know that's a local one because that's a local rock station. The Buzzard. Made with cherry, orange peel, and mulling spices. Wow. Right off the top. Cherry heavy and orange. Whew, I was not expecting that. It's very sweet. It tastes almost like a juice. So, hold on, I'm just gonna set all these to the side and we're gonna start our ranking right in the middle. We'll start with that and we'll see how it goes. The next one is Fatheads Holly Jolly Christmas Ale, and Fatheads makes my favorite beer ever, Headhunter. So I have good expectations from this. It's got the lightness of an ale. Not too much in the way of spices. You could tell me this was a Bud Light or a Coors Light that you put a little bit of Sherminicin into. Yeah, all I really get off of it is cinnamon and like your average ale. So that's going to go down. This is the Brew Kettle Winter Warmer. And all of these, by the way, are like 8.2, 8.5, so enjoy them. The Winter Warmer. Again, it's not bad. If they were bad, I would just say that it's not good. It's not bad. But it's nothing. There's nothing there. So that goes there. I'm going to move these down, and you know what I'm going to do? Some water so I can... Because I'm dealing with some heavy flavors. Now, another Fatheads one called Pimp My Sleigh. Ooh. It's got some meh to it. It's definitely, whatever, like weedy, I think, from a Belgian ale is definitely there. That's one of the better ones we've had so far. So I'm going to stick that there. We have the Cider Boys Cranberry Raz. That's cranberry. I don't know what I expected. I don't like cranberry. There's a lot of flavor here. I personally don't like cranberry. But there's more. I'm going to put this mid-tier through my dislike of cranberry. But there's more flavor than those two. Christmas Bock. Doppelbock style lager with brewing spices. Oh, sorry. Doppelbock. Ooh. It doesn't taste like a lager at all. That's interesting. You can definitely taste the spices. There's the cinnamon and that ilk in there. That's going to go up here. That's not bad at all. Taft's Brewing Company, Santa's Bribe. So you're supposed to bribe the jolly guy with this. Fruity. Apple, maybe? It says Christmas cookie. I'm getting apple. Maybe some ginger. It's conflicting flavors. You go down toward the end. It's not great. Ooh. Jackie O's makes another one of my favorites called Mystic Mama, called Deck the Hills. This is an IPA. Ooh. That's interesting. There's almost a cinnamon kick to your average IPA. You still get the bitter, kind of like mouthfeel of a regular IPA, but there's that cinnamon and mulling spices in there too. That, you go right to the front of the pack, my friend. That's pretty good. Sierra Nevada, a Celebration Fresh Hop IPA. Let's close that cabinet, but we got a lot going on here. Sierra Nevada. See, I get the IPA right off the bat and nothing else. It tastes like an IPA beer. Oh boy. See, now as a beer, I would put this up here as just a beer. But as a Christmas beer, I don't get any flavor from it other than IPA, so you go right to the end, my friend. Dead last place. Good flavor, bad Christmas beer. Now this is the Festivus from Market Garden. Mulling spices right off the bat. A little bit of just like a lager or like a Budweiser kind of flavor. Inoffensive, not good, not great. I wouldn't go out of my way to get this. Okay, you do mid-tier. Yeah, mid-tier with that. It's not great. It's not offensive in any way. Now this is one of my favorites, and I know going into it, it's one of my favorites. The 12 Dogs of Christmas. See, that's what I'm looking for. This tastes like a beer that was made with the spices, as opposed to a beer that was made and spices added. It tastes more complete. Like everything is mixed together as opposed to this with this. It is made together. You go right to the front of the pack. Thirsty dog, right there. This is Homestead Beer Company Pumpkin Pie. I don't have high hopes for this. Ugh. Ugh. The taste off the bat is wow. Oh boy, that's bad. Oh, wow. That is the first one so far. So that's a bad beer. Nope. Actually, you don't even get to be last. You just get to go off to the side. And finally, another one I know I like. the Great Lakes Christmas Ale. All right. Now, if you want to enjoy this properly, you need to pour it into a glass and rim it with cinnamon sugar. I was at the bar the other day, and I was ordering these because Christmas. And she's like, do you want a rim? I was like, I would love a rim. Thank you for asking. Yeah, I can already tell you this is going to be number one. It's perfect. It is perfect. It's the right amount of sweet, the right amount of spice. It is just... Oh, man. It's just amazing. If you can get it, fucking get it. So we got the Great Lakes, the 12 Dogs, Deck the Hills, this one, the WMMS, Fatheads, and then the rest of them. And these are fine. These aren't bad, but they're not good Christmas beer. These are amazing Christmas beer, and you should get any of these if you ever find them, but look for these guys. Just a little quick video, guys. Oh, wait, no. Hold on. This is my ranking. My camera woman will give it a taste and leave her ranking. Sorry, my hands. Oh, yeah, that's good. I will, don't worry. So this is my lovely camera woman's taste on it. She put Christmas Ale as number one, because number one. Then the WMMS 12 Dogs, Fatheads, what is this? Holly Jolly. Then the Cranberry, and then down the line. None of them were bad except this one. This one was bad. She didn't like those two. I love this one. But this was her take on it. So guys, if you can, go out and find these at your local grocery store or beer store, wherever you may be. Let me know what you think down below. And if you have any comments or have a video you want to see, let me know. Have a lovely day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.